For this stage of the competition, I think this is unbelievably good.
Yeah.
Brilliant start. If they're all like this, we're going to have a tough time deciding who our favourite is.
That's so true.
You are going to present your food not just to me and John, but to 3 guests in the dining room. 2016 semi-finalist Liz Cottam, winner of MasterChef 2008 James Nathan, and winner from 2011 Tim Anderson.
At the end of this, our guests in the dining room will choose their favourite cook. And that person will become a quarter-finalist. You've got 6 minutes, Christian.
Christian's dish reads really well. Pan-fried cod, as long as that's not overcooked, then that's going to be delicious.
Chorizo and pea fricassee. As long as he treats it all with respect, it's going to be great.
Nice colours.
Yeah, that's come out well, actually.
Nice colours.
Aioli looks good.
Yeah, it's got a bit of kick.
That's the idea of it.
Yeah.
Well done. Great dish. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Well done, Christian.
Cheers, Jack. Hello.
Hi.
I'm on time.
Well done.
What I've served today is some pan-fried cod. It's on a fricassee of chorizo and pea, and you've got a garlic aioli and some pea shoots on top.
Thanks. Thanks,
Enjoy it.
Christian. Cheers.
This fish, it's got that lovely sort of mother-of-pearl translucency to it. And the fish on its own is delicious. Everything else is almost like a bonus. For this stage of the competition, I think this is unbelievably good.
Yeah. The aioli is really punchy and garlicky, and it's really nicely made. And the smoky paprika in the sauce is delicious.
Brilliant start. If they're all like this, we're going to have a tough time deciding who our favourite is.
That's so true.
Look at that. You want like a deck of cards? There you go. Ooh. The fish itself falls apart, which I think is fantastic. The peas and the potatoes I really like. I love the warmth of that paprika across the top, and I like the aioli, which is a great punch.
I like that a lot. A lot.
I can never quite remember what a fool is exactly, but it's like a creamy rum mango thing. Nothing wrong with that.
Shortbread, that's kind of a sensible choice at this stage, isn't it? We should be able to pull that out of the bag.
Is there lime rind in your mango as well?
Yes, just a little bit with quite a bit of rum as well.
Oh, rum, of course, the rum.
They look lovely.
And then shortbread. I hope it's all right.
That looks great. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Thank you.
For dessert, you've got a spiced rum and mango fool. And it's served with some of my nan's shortbread, which has got a bit of lime going through it.
Magic, thank you.
Hope you enjoy it.
Mmm. What I'm getting is lots and lots of creaminess. More mint and definitely more rum would have just kind of enhanced the mango.
The standout thing for it, though, is the texture. It's really smooth. It's so good.
The shortbread could use a little bit more lime, but I'm impressed.
It's light, it's creamy, it's not too sweet, natural honeyed mango flavour. That is great.
I love his shortbread. I think they're really, really good. I like him a lot. I think he's a very clever cook.
Really happy with that, so I'm confident that I produced something that I'm proud of.